Joining me again for another video on our pastime. This week I was fixing up my Johnson sickle servicer. I noticed it was needing a little bit of paint since most of the paint was chipping off of it. I decided I'd wire brush it down and throw a coat of new paint on it. And a few weeks ago I ordered a part because right here, this part that pushes out the rivet, once you break the rivet out, this is a little pusher that pushes the rivet down through a slot here, and from the sickle bar you push the handle down, and there's supposed to be a long piece that pushes the rivet down through that hole, and that has been used, or probably you're not supposed to have to put much force on it, and apparently the person before me either put too much force on it and bent that piece off. I ordered a new part, and I thought I might, since I'm fixing this up, I'd make a quick little video how to replace the Johnson sickle servicer. Here's the new part that goes right here. Let's see if we can open this up a little more. It'll go right in here. As you can see, the part, I don't know if you can see, the part that's there now does not stick down as far as this one does. It's supposed to push it right through that hole that's right here. So when the handle comes down, you slide your sickle bar through here after you've broken the rivets off using this part of the servicer over here. This part will force the rivets to break, and then quite often the rivets will actually break out, but a lot of times they don't. So you'll go through and break your whole bar, break the rivets off of the blade for the whole bar, and then you'll use this part here to push the remaining rivets down through the hole using this little pusher here. And since mine is bent or broken off, I ordered this piece from Johnson Manufacturing, which still sells all of the parts to all the replacement parts, all the wear parts, the wear washers here. They still sell all the breaker bars and the anvil. They still sell all those parts, so you can replace all those parts if they wear out. If you do a lot of work with these, I have probably, I think, maybe 10 blades. 2 blades are done, and I figured I would get this part and make some videos of refurbishing some blades. Not tonight, but tonight's video is just going to be short, showing how to replace this part. And it's not too hard. It just takes an Allen wrench. Oops, I may be tightening. Or loosening. Just loosen the set screw. I just put a fresh coat of paint on this tonight, so it's still a little wet. And then this will, the old part should come right out. Let's put it, give myself a little more space. There we go. It's loose. Not sure how it's going to come out. I've never taken one of these out before. Not too hard at all. And there's the old one. And we can compare the old one and the new one. I'll probably reuse the old washers too. Slide that back up in there. And then just retighten the set screw. And the sickle servicer is now back to 100%. There. Now when I slide the blade down through, it should push that rivet right through the hole a lot better. Or actually do it this time. There. That's basically all I wanted to show you in this video. Again, the old one was pretty much, I guess it looks like it broke off. I don't know if you can see, maybe you can see it. I guess the old one, the old tip must have broken off. So we got a new tip on there now. Should be good to go. So in a future video I'll show actually how this sickle servicer works, and I'll do a complete blade, and we'll go through the process of how to break the old blade out, break the rivets out, push through the rivets that are being stubborn, and then we'll seat. This also seats the rivets into the blade. That's what this part over here does. It will actually crimp the rivets right into the blade. Alright, well that's it. Short little video servicing the sickle servicer, the Johnson sickle servicer. Everything on this is still fully adjustable, which is pretty surprising. I'm not sure how old this is. You can still actually order these brand new right off Johnson Manufacturing, should you want one. They're a little bit expensive, but probably for about the price of having somebody do some blades for you, you could have your own. Alright, I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Give me some ideas from some new videos you might like to see, and catch me next time. Thanks for joining me this time on Our Pastime. Until next time, see you next time.